In today's video, you'll learn how to use Canva animations to bring your designs to life with page-level motion, element animations, and custom movement. Start by opening your design and decide whether you want the entire page to animate, or only specific elements. To animate the whole layout, click on the empty canvas so nothing is selected. To animate a specific part, like text, images, or icons, click that element directly to highlight it. Go to the top toolbar and click Animate. Canva shows two main types of presets: page animations that affect everything at once, and element animations that let individual pieces fade, rise, slide, or pop independently. Presets are fast and clean, making them easy to use across multiple pages for a consistent look. For more control, use Canva's custom animation path. Click an element, then drag it along the route you want it to follow. Keep the path simple so the movement feels smooth and purposeful. Shorter paths usually look clearer than long or complicated ones. After choosing an animation, refine it with speed and direction controls. Speed determines the energy of the motion, slower feels subtle and professional, while faster adds excitement. Direction lets you guide where elements come from or move toward, helping you create flow within the design. Align motion with your layout so movement supports the focal point rather than distracting from it. For deeper control, open the timeline. Here you can stagger animations, adjust when elements appear, and layer motion so your viewer's attention moves in a deliberate order. Let important elements like headlines appear first, then bring in supporting visuals to avoid cluttered moments. Consistent timing across pages helps maintain rhythm, especially in video projects or presentations. That's the process. Select the page or element, click Animate, choose a preset or create a custom path, adjust speed and direction, and refine timing in the timeline.